Alexandra.
I missed you so much. Did you miss Honey? Did you have his fun? I love you. Dip, go give Alexandra a birthday kiss so you can be on film. You want me to put that one on Sammy for you? Hold on, buddy.
Sammy, Alexandra, look.
Here, no, let me do it for you, buddy.
Don't get too close. Alexandra, come here.
Yeah, I got one.
That's Jay.
That's Sammy. She's saying that's Jay. He's saying that's Jay.
It's sexy.
That's you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexandra
and Patty.
Happy birthday to you.
That's George, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Say hi, Alexandra.
Hi, Alexandra.
I haven't even got up there.
Wow.
Boys do.
Oh, that hand is.
Smile, Alexandra.
All their games.
Smile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again.
Oh, no, they
Yeah.
don't open the doors or anything. It's like a sauna. They got like 3 games going on at once. They've
Smile, Sammy.
Where'd she
Smile.
go? Oh, Alexandra.
Up there. There. Alexandra's up there. Smile, Alexandra. Smile. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Sammy, look. Look. Sammy, look. Over here. Sammy, look. Look. Sammy, be gentle. Sammy, look at the camera. See? It's the two of you hugging.
Put it in there. Put some in there. Dude.
Uncle George, you want me to do something?
Be gentle. Be gentle. Alexander, be nice. Gentle.
Maria.
What are you doing to my little boy? What?
Mashed with potatoes.
Are they ready?
Yeah.
Are they ready?
What are you doing, Alexandra? Okay, Sammy, watch.
What do you think?
Who's that? Is that you?
I'm just going to shut them off.
Smile. Touch your nose. See? That's you.
I think you better.
I'll do them in a minute.
Smile.
I love fun.
Maria.
Were you a good boy? While I was gone? Do you want me to put that on for you?
Yeah.
Is this your
Maria.
birthday present? Alexandra. Here. Okay. Want me to put it on for you? Okay, let me put it behind your ear.
Maria, guess who's been here?
Who? Here you go.
Maria,
What?
guess who's been here?
Who's that? Oh.
Alexandra, come here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say hi?
Okay, now you break that.
Can you say hi?
Alexandra's
Can you say two? Two.
They were richer, probably.
Two.
Honey, where you going? You shouldn't.
Two.
How's your diaper? Do we need to
Say hi.
go there now?
Can you give me a big smile?
Alexandra, now we're gonna go sing and have
Blow me a kiss.
Yay!
Mwah.
Let's go.
Good girl.
Go, the cake. Let's go find the cake. Wanna bring the
Alexandra, you going to get in there with Sammy? Hug Sammy. Alexandra, hug Sammy.
Sammy.
I would have gone nuts.
Oh.
I mean, crazy. Yes. Nice.
Careful, honey. Go ahead, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Alexandra. Alexander. There you go.
Say happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday to Alexandra.
Alexandra, come on. Do you want to get some cake? You want cake?
Nice, Aunt Mel.
Oh, it's
You got to go sit down for your birthday.
looks delicious.
Bye.
Santa, I keep stepping on you, my love.
Sweetheart.
Don't handle
That's a
those.
sweetheart. She's looking at me.
Look at this with your Buddha belly here. No, keep your hat on, honey.
Oh, you look lovely.
All right, you're not going to keep your hat on, are you? Can I have a kiss?
I love
Alexandra
Alexandra in the morning.
Oh, look at that. Get that.
Here. This is little long vest. Be gentle with his eyes. Go ahead, Jay. Go ahead, Jay.
I love Alexandra.
Okay. Don't torch the thing.
Don't let her blow them up because she almost burned her hair last night.
Mother's got her.
I can't believe this shit.
Okay,
Okay, let's here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexandra.
Happy birthday to you.
Sammy.
Blow.
No.
Touch, just blow.
That's it.
Oh, that was so pretty, honey.
Yay!
How old are you now? 2. Can you say 2?
Give that, JJ, give that to Mom.
Did she?
Yeah. She just loves it. All right, Patty, make a wish.
I know.
Alexandra, be gentle with his eyes.
Scratch his cornea.
That's mine.
Alexandra.
Off the table.
That's yours.
Hey, Alexandra.
Say,
Look.
Alexandra,
Alexandra, look.
Get him off the table. Sit next to
Sammy, off the table, sweet boy.
Give me your husband's
hot
stuff.
coffee to get burned.
Sit there, sit right there, okay, sweet boy?
Right there, Patty.
Say hi, Sam.
Good boy.
Say hi, Mom. Mom. Say hi.
Happy birthday, Patty and
Down.
Happy birthday, Alexandra and Patty.
I want the little happy birthday to these 2 little
Oh, she wants some cream?
Get my
Happy
Anybody else want
birthday.
cream?
part. Yeah.
Say hi, Alexandra. Say hi.
What do you want?
Say hi.
Jay,
You want to buy something there?
my settings for her make is, except ours is made. It was very good.
No, I have not.
What are you doing? Hey, Alexandra.
It's a nice mullet.
Alexandra. Hey.
Hey, you two.
She's loving you up. She
All right, Patty, come and open your gift. All right, let me open the gifts for him. Alexandra, do you want to open your gift?
Yeah.
Can you say hi?
It's okay. I don't mind, but I mean, you think he notices by now?
We look forward to
Right now.
that. Alexandra comes, we wait. We used to do that with Phyllis. Wait for the bus and grab her. Just,
Mom, we should always have a party for me.
A lot of water over the dam.
Who let the dogs out?
Woof, woof.
Ask your mother. Hi, Lexi. Your favorite birthday go with baby Papa and Grandma and Sienna.
I had to put the dog in there, you know.
It's Mama. Mommy. Here, let's take one. My niece, the heart of an angel, a soul that reaches far, warm within the spirit that burns the star. Oh, thank you, Aunt
Why are they
Nellie.
hitting the doorbell?
Thank you.
Stop it!
I love it. How can we not love it?
Say
Thank
bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Wave to Daddy. Wave.
Say hi, Pumpkin.
Wave. Is that the movie picture camera?
Yep.
Then I can move.
Hi, Pumpkin.
No, that's not.
Alexander, can you say hi?
The blue bin?
Can you say hi?
Oh, yeah. I couldn't see with so much stuff in there.
Yep.
Ready? Here we go.
You better bring something, you're going to take it for your sugar, huh? The old card?
Whee!
You take the old card, she's going to take this and we're taking it.
Put your feet up.
I
Put
gotta
your
wash
feet
my
up. Put your
lenses
feet
off
up.
before we go.